Thank you for watching the Madeira Network's help videos, where knowledge is key. In this video we will be downloading Zoom onto the desktop, and then going over how to join a meeting as well as starting your own meeting. You'll want to start out in a web browser. Type zoom.us into the address bar to go to Zoom's website. You can also find that link below in the description of this video. In the top right corner you'll see an option for resources. Hovering your mouse over that will bring up a drop-down menu. We'll be selecting the option at the top that says Download Zoom Client. We will be downloading the option at the very top. We're going to click on the arrow next to the installer to have Zoom open up when it's done installing. We can now close out of the web browser. If you haven't already made an account, you can create one for free on Zoom's website. To join a meeting, simply hit join and enter the code that whoever is running the meeting should have sent you. To create and host a meeting, you'll first need to make sure you're signed in. Click the orange button that says New Meeting. You'll then want to select Join with Computer Audio. To add people to the meeting, go to the bottom of the screen and click on Participants. That will bring up a side menu with an option to invite people to it. In the bottom left you'll see an option to copy invite link or copy invitation. Clicking on either of those will add it to your clipboard, and you can paste it in an email and send it to whoever needs to attend the meeting. Another option is by sending the meeting passcode to those that need to be in the meeting. The passcode can be found on the bottom right. In the bottom left you'll see the buttons for muting yourself and stopping your video. That second button will stop your camera from displaying your face without kicking you out of the meeting. To end the meeting, simply hit the end button on the bottom right of the screen. Thank you for watching the Madeira Network's help videos, where knowledge is key. We hope you found this video educational and easy to follow. Feel free to give us a call if you have any further questions. We'd be more than happy to assist you. Have a great rest of your day.